Okay, so today, the video, I'm just doing a quick summary here. We basically went over a few basic 20 skills, like finding the greatest common denominator and factoring it out. In this case, 2x was the greatest common denominator in this blue question. So you divide everything by 2x, and then you end up with this inside. We rearranged it because it would be in a better order. We also talked over the quadratic formula, which you use to solve quadratics that won't factor. Remember to always set your quadratics equal to 0. And then I reminded the kids about how to solve these kind, where you set each part equal to 0. And then this is slope-intercept. You solve it for y, and then the number in front, that's the slope. The second number, that's the y-intercept. So we just did a little bit of that, and then we took a first 20. If you were absent today, you find the first 20 in the black folder on my website. I only have one black folder on purpose to make it easy to find this thing, and you can have retakes of it. So do your best. We are a day ahead of other classes. That's why we're going to get really good at this stuff, and then I'll hand the tests back tomorrow.